Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So lately I've been obsessed with few things, and I want to show you some of the things that I've been obsessed with and really liking right now. It could be like my summer favorite or June favorite, something like that. I still don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with a random, literally the most random item you could think of, which I literally these are like the steel straws, reusable steel straws. I have like two straight ones and two like bendy ones, and I got them off of Amazon. And it's gonna sound so random, but I'm obsessed with these. Like literally, it's not something you really need in your day-to-day life or anything like that, but it's something that I wanted for the longest time. And obviously the plastic straws are so bad for environment, so I got these. I don't know, I love like having coffee with the straws and stuff. I don't know why, it just makes me feel nice and stuff like that. It doesn't make any sense, but I got these off Amazon. They're not at all expensive, they're pretty affordable. They came with this like straw cleaner, and they're so easy to clean and stuff, and they're just cute. I think these are just like the normal steel gray ones, and you can find like different golden color, and this is the silver. Obviously you can get the golden color or something, whatever you want, and stuff of Amazon as well. But these are the most random things, and I'm in love. Like, I mean, just so nice. I'll put the link down in my description if you want to check them out. They're just so nice and so easy to clean, and just like they're like 4 straws, so you get like 2 straight ones and 2 bendy ones, but they're just so cute. Like, just been obsessed with them lately. So oh god. So yeah, next up I'm gonna talk about skincare. So I have like really acne prone and oily skin, and I'm always looking for like better products, as in like I'm trying to be more like aware as a consumer. So I try to look for products that are vegan, cruelty free, and doesn't have toxins and stuff like that. So I came across this brand. It's called Plum. You probably have heard about it, it's pretty famous. So there was like Plum is like a not exactly an affordable brand. Obviously it is it's written here, it's like toxic free, it's vegan and cruelty free, and they use like more natural ingredients and stuff like that. So it's not the most affordable products, but there was a sale going on the like official website for Plum, and there was a sale for the face mask. And I love face masks. They're so nice, and they make your skin feel so nice and stuff like that. So I just went, I got so excited because I've been wanting to try their products for so long. So I got 2 face masks. This is the both of them are for the oily acne prone skin. First one is the green tea clear face mask. So I'm going to show you. This is the 100-gram pack. There's a mini thing there, like they have the mini ones too. So this is the 100-gram 100-gram pack. So this is the green tea clear face mask, green tea for combination oily acne prone skin, and I've used this like twice, and they're like pretty like good quantity for me, I think. And I've used them like twice or thrice already, and they're just so nice on my skin. I didn't get any bad reaction off of them. My skin felt great, and they have like really just made my skin feel more clear. I've already tried them like twice, so I don't know if they've cleared my acne. They're not going to clear my acne in like 2 tries, but honestly, my skin just felt so much better after using them. This is the green tea clear face mask, and the second one is the charcoal 2-in-1 detox scrub mask. This one has a little very slightly, not like overpowering kind of, but a little bit of fragrance, but like very mild one. But this one has no artificial fragrance, and obviously it's toxins free and vegan and cruelty free. And this is the charcoal one. this comes with like a little like spatula. I hope you can see it, like spatula. Both of them come with this. This is the charcoal one, and this is for oily combination skin, and this is not advice for the sensitive skin. You can go on the website and see there are some for dry skin and stuff like that, but both of these were for the oily skin, and there was like a sale going on, buy one get one, so I got it at a pretty good price. Always look out for these sales, you guys. I'm literally not even kidding. I have learned the hard way that there are so many sales even on Nykaa, on like the official Plum website, whatever thing you're going for, there are always sales going on. So try to get in the sales. I got it for a great price, like both of them, like buy one get one free, so that I was very happy about. And these are just so nice, and obviously it's a huge benefit when they are vegan, cruelty free, and doesn't have any toxic. And also these like packaging are like glass packaging, which is like obviously, you know, doesn't have plastic, so that's a great thing. So also these are like the glass packaging, and you can return them, and for free they'll get it from your house. You can return them, and you will actually get like points in your, you know, Plum like wallet or something, and you can, you know, redeem them for better products, which sounds amazing. Like that's such a great initiative, and I was like, that's just a plus point, to be honest. Next skincare product, I have talked about this in my skincare video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. So I've been like obsessed with skincare, and I've become better with the things I put on my face. Like I've become more aware of like what content what's the content in the particular serum or face mask or whatever I'm using. So I came across this. I wanted a serum for the longest time for acne and, you know, acne scars particularly. I'm just like, acne still come and go, but these scars are just so annoying. So I came across this minimalist niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum, and I know I've already talked about this, so I'm not going to talk in detail, but I just wanted to show this in this video because this is, I hope you can see, this is literally like empty. So that's how much I love it. This is pretty affordable, and this small bottle lasted me for 6 months, which is like amazing, and it has helped me so much with my skin already, with the oil control, and honestly with the acne scars, like the little bumps. If you have, like, I used to have like the scars as well as like the little, you know, bumpy forehead and just little bumps on my face, which are literally gone. And even with my acne scars, it has helped a lot. So like, it's literally empty. I just ordered a new one, and I've been obsessed with this, and I've been recommending this to like every person who has acne or who asks me for any kind of advice. This is just amazing. And this minimalist company even has like so many more options. If you have dry skin, if you have blemishes, if you have like hyperpigmentation, they have like the whole package for like different, you know, they have like different serums, which are, honestly, this one is great. So I'm like, I don't know other ones, but this company, like this, they are very like good, and I 100% recommend at least this one, but the other ones I'm pretty sure are good too. So that's it for the skincare one, but let's get back to some of the books that I've read recently and really liked and stuff. Read recently. First one is The Cousins by Karen M. McManus. I love Karen's previous work. I've read, it's like I have talked about the other books on my channel. One of Us Is Lying, One of Us Is Next. Both of them are amazing. So I was like, you know, I have to try another book from her. So if basically this is a thriller book, and it's about like these cousins that have a huge secret, like these cousins, their grandmom is hiding a huge secret, and they've never met their grandmother, and they always think that there's something shady going on. So that's the premise of this story, and it's thriller, it's good. The ending is so unexpected, at the same time so good. Like, I didn't love it as much as I loved the first 2 books by her, but this is still like a good thriller book, honestly. Next up, I have, like, I don't read non-fictions a lot, but this is a non-fiction book. It's called When Breath Becomes Air by Paul Kalanithi. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm so sorry. But yeah, by Paul Kalanithi. It's a non-fiction book. So basically, Paul is a neurosurgeon. Actually, was a neurosurgeon, and he was. I related to him a little bit in the fact that I feel like I have this philosophical side of me that wants to know a lot of like about life, death, and stuff like that. And he was like that too. He wondered about. He had lots of questions about life, death, and purpose and passion and stuff like that. So that's why he was like obsessed with like literature, and he was trying to find these answers through literature, through philosophy. And then he came into like a neuroscience and neurosurgery and become a hugely famous neurosurgeon. But he still didn't get any answers. But one day he was diagnosed with like lung cancer, and it's like basically his like life story. And from like when he got like from his like surgeon resident days to like the day he like to till he died. And it's like this is not like a big book, and I'm not the most non-fiction reader, but this book I started reading and I couldn't put it down. It's so nicely written, it's so interesting, and just like such a great read. And I came across this literally randomly, and I really loved it. Last but not the least, how can I end without mentioning any makeup product? So this is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Ink Crayon. I'm literally wearing this right now. This is what I'm wearing right now. So this is such a cute like dusty plumish color, and it's such a pretty color, and I feel like it would look good on anybody. And it's this crayon like thing. I don't know if you can see. It's like crayon, and it has this like sharpener at the back, and it's so easy to use, and it's just like small. You can keep it in your purse, and just basic day-to-day wear lipstick. And it's such a cute color and such a nice basic lipstick. And I've just been trying a lot more new makeup, and I came across this one and I just love it. And I've worn this lipstick twice this month, and it's just so cute and looks so nice. So yeah, that's the last thing. Yep. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and these are all the things that I've been obsessed with or been using recently and stuff like that. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.